Motivation is a state of mind. In order for you to master your motivation levels, it is essential that you know what motivation really is and how it works. It is also important for you to know what causes low motivation levels so that you can take steps to prevent these from happening. 1 minute, it can be there providing you with inspiration and energy to do something, and the next minute it can be gone. To get your motivation levels as high as possible, you need to set goals. If you get this wrong, then it will probably be very tough to find the motivation that you need to accomplish your goals. Keep your motivation levels high each day. But how do you do this? Here's where my advice for you comes in. With my advice, you will learn what motivation really is and how it works. You will learn what causes low motivation levels so that you can take steps to prevent these from happening. You will be able to set goals that will motivate you. You will provide yourself with high motivation levels each day. You will learn the best habits to keep yourself motivated. To make it easy, I've put together a step-by-step guide that will show you exactly how it's done. Introducing Motivation Power, Quick Tips for Getting the Most Out of Life. No stones are left unturned when you get your hands on this now. You will become a complete expert on this, and you'll get everything you need inside to do the same. Here's just a quick preview of what you'll discover inside. What really is motivation? Possible causes of low motivation levels. How to set goals that will motivate you. Finding a motivation source that will work for you. Great tactics to increase your motivation levels. Tips for a quick motivational boost. How to sustain your motivation levels. The best motivational habits. Motivation best practices. Plus, a whole lot more. This is the easiest way to get the most out of life with the power of motivation. Who needs this step-by-step guide? If you answer yes to any of the below, you need this. You want to know what causes low motivation levels so that you can take steps to prevent these from happening. You want to get your motivation levels up as high as possible. You want to set goals that will motivate you. You want to know tactics and tips for a quick motivational boost that we encourage you to apply to your life. You want to know the best habits to keep yourself motivated. Does this sound like exactly what you need? But maybe your next question is how much? If you were going to hire an expert on this to show you how it's done, you could easily find yourself investing hundreds of dollars for this sort of coaching. In fact, many people invest hundreds and thousands of dollars to get into coaching programs or attend workshops. But you won't have to invest anywhere near that today. And it just keeps getting better. When you make the wise decision to grab this today, you'll also get these fast action bonuses. Fast action bonus number 1, Motivation Power cheat sheet, valued at $27. This cheat sheet is a handy checklist that makes it easy to get started. It breaks up the entire guide into easy-to-follow steps so that you can make sure you have all the highlights of everything covered inside right at your fingertips. Fast action bonus number 2, Motivation Power Mind Map, valued at $17. Some people learn better by looking at a mind map. The mind map gives you an overview of everything covered inside the guide. You can also print it out for quick reference anytime you need it. Fast action bonus number 3, Motivation Power Resource Guide, valued at $17. The resource guide gives you a quick point of reference to all of the resources mentioned throughout the guide. This makes it easy to plug in and stick with what you're looking for. Try this guide on my dime. There's no risk. There are a lot of people that claim to offer a solution on getting the most out of life with the power of motivation, so it's understandable if you're a little skeptical. I can keep telling you just how great my guide is, but you really need to go through it and see for yourself what it's all about to know if it's for you. That's why I'm going to give you a full 30 days to decide if this is for you. If for any reason, or no reason at all, you're not 100% satisfied with what's inside, simply send me an email and I'll refund every penny of your tiny investment, no questions asked. Click the button below now to get instant access. Thank you so much for taking the time to take a look at this extremely limited offer that has the potential to help you get the most out of life with the power of motivation. I'll see you on the inside.